Hey guys, Jacob Wright from MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida here. Thank you very much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to click on today's video. Today, I have the pleasure of showing you a beautiful 2023 Harris 250 Solstice. As you can see on the outside, it does have the white panel fencing with the black trimmed contrast, give that a nice little pop of color. You do see that the interior is a brown color. We'll touch a little bit more about that once you hop up on the boat with me. Also wanted to quickly point out this massive back platform that I'm standing on. This is the rear extended swim platform that Harris does offer on all of their pontoon models. And for the price that you pay just to get an extra 13 inches of deck space, it's well worth it in my opinion. This boat is powered with a 350 Mercury Verado outboard. Pushes this boat very well. You're getting up to a plane very quickly. And there's also been reports of this boat seeing upwards of 50 miles per hour while you're on the water. Right here behind me, we do have the activity ski bar. So if you want to do any type of wakeboarding, skiing, tubing, you have this nice bar to be able to do that for you. If you don't want to use it, you can just remove this bar, leave it in your garage, and you open up this back space. Lastly is a beautiful stainless steel telescoping folding ladder. It makes boarding this boat super easy and convenient with this 4 steps rather than the traditional 3 steps. This one does have an additional step, so when you're in those shallower waters or deeper waters, you do have that extra one to help you get up into the boat. Now that I've talked about the outside, let's hop inside and I'll show you the inside. Now that we're inside of the boat, I'm up here in the forward section where mainly most of the socializing is going to take place. And you can see, I still have plenty of space to fit upwards of 6 other people if I wanted to. This Harris does have extra storage right here on the in-floor side of it. It's just a nice pop-up, extra storage bin for any type of tube, skis, extra towels, etc. You do have 8 cup holders in total up here, 4 on each side, as well as little retention storage bins, 12-volt cigarette outlets with USB ports for charging, as well as 2 speakers, so you're never without music wherever you're at. Moving backwards here, one thing I wanted to point out to give it that kind of sporty look is this is a magnet-based windshield that you can lay down, and it kind of gives the boat a sleeker look to it as well. And now that we're here at the Helm station, this one does come with a Simrad chart plotter, JL audio fusion system, digital throttle system as well. And these chairs, super comfortable. You got the high back captain's chair. These are swivelable, as well as it does lock into place. So once you're driving, you don't have to worry about it, rotating on you. You can have it slide forward or backward to get you a little bit closer or farther away from the steering wheel. If you're anything like me, you need to get a little bit closer to it. Next to the Simrad and as well on the passenger side, you do have small little tweeter subs, just those extra little things that Harris thinks about for your customers, for their customers, while they're all out on the water for the day. Lastly, as we're finishing up on the back section, it's very similar to the front section. You have 6 cup holders on this one rather than 8, so you do lose 2, but there's still plenty of cup holders for everybody. You still have your speakers, but then if you need to throw some trash away, this flip down bin right here, there's a trash can right in there. Harris doesn't forget about the small little necessities of stuff that we run into while we're out on the water throughout the day. Again, this is the Harris 250 Solstice. If you want to know more about it or come see it, please come see me. I'm Jacob Wright at MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. You can reach me at 850-819-9106. And please feel free to follow us on all of our socials, Facebook, YouTube, etc. That way you're up to date with all of our latest posts and content. Thank you guys. Talk to you next time.